guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video we'll be making an advanced platformer in Scratch. Let's get started. Here I have the start project. Now I'm going to share it, and now you got it, a card and a favorite, and now you remix it. Okay, this is the first starter project because have the hitbox, the player, the floor, dangers, counter, and the checkpoint, and two backdrops, and let's start. First, go to the hitbox spread. Guys, upload any music that you want. I'm going to upload these three musics. Now let's upload. I'm going to upload this one. That's the music during the game. Now this one, the cactus. That's the music during the menu where you have the settings and the play button and the boss battle because there is a boss fight. That's upload any music you have, but here it is, a music for. And during the game, a music during a boss fight, and a music during the menu. Remember that, guys, and you can post this video at any moment. Now, save your project and now just go to the hitbox. Now make a new variable, add to all platformers, a level sprite for variable, for all sprites. When green flag clicked, set level to 1. Okay. When I receive a new message called main menu, hide, and now make a new custom block called platformer. Raw window, screen refresh, and put this block here. Now let's define this. Now make two new variables called player X for all sprites and player Y for all sprites. And now hide the variables and set player X and set player Y to pair X to X position and Y to Y position. Okay. Now, F, put on OR, F key, right arrow pressed, OR key depressed. And point in direction 90 and make a new variable for all sprites called X velocity. Change X velocity to 2.5. Duplicate this, and now if key down arrow press or key S press. First guys, you are thinking, why this is sprite and not the player? And that the hitbox is for the collision with this, or not the player is going to trespass the floor, and that's not good. So we're using the sprite called hitbox. And or key S pressed. Where's the S? Here. I'm sorry guys, this goes here. Delete the pointing direction and change X velocity by negative 0.8. Now duplicate this and put this here, and if key left arrow press or key A press, pointing direction negative 90, and change X velocity to negative 2.5, and if key down arrow press or key S, change X velocity by 0.8. And now here, let's set X velocity to multiply, set X velocity to X velocity times 0.8. Now change X by X velocity. Now put an equals, put an OR, if key down, oh here, okay, look at this, key down arrow press or S press, switch custom to hitbox duck. These are the customs in hitbox, and this is the hitbox duck. Switch custom to that. Now make a new variable for all sprites called crouch, and set crouch to yes, and in the else set crouch to no, and switch costume to hitbox. Now here put if touching 4, and also let's make a new variable called y velocity for all sprites, and change y by um, put multiply, change y by y velocity times -1, and set y velocity to 0. Sorry guys, everything wrong. Set x velocity to 0, and here was the x velocity and not the change y. Sorry guys. Okay, now the change x, and the set x velocity to 0. Now change y velocity to -1.3, and change y by y velocity now put an equals touching floor. Now change y by duplicate this, and only change by y velocity multiplied by -1, and set y velocity to 0. If put an OR, if key up arrow pressed or key W pressed, here is the W. Now make a new variable for sprites called lock. Set lock to, oh sorry guys, if lock is equal to 1, set y velocity to 18, and set lock to 0, and in the else set lock to 1. And now if not, put an equal, if not, level is equal to 20, and put an if greater than, and if x position is greater than 236, broadcast a new message called next level. Change level by 1. And set x to negative 236. Now, or here, our level is equal to 1. And now duplicate all this and put this here. And if not, level is equal to 20. Or level is equal to where's the R? Where's the R, guys? Oh my god. Here's the R. If not, another level is equal to 20 or level is equal to 1. And here put a negative 236 and here a 236. And obviously in the level change it by negative 1. Now when I receive setup, remember a new message called setup. Remember that we're in the hitbox, not in the player or another sprite. Show set lock to 1. Set lock to 1. Switch costume to hitbox. And set ghost effect to 100. Make a new variable for all sprites called invincible and a question mark, obviously because it's invisible, not invincible, and invincible, not invisible. Remember that. And if you made a mistake, sorry, you got to do it again. Set invincible to no. Set level to 1. And also guys, set x velocity to 0. Now make a new variable called last level for all sprites. Set last level to 1. And set y velocity to 0. Now go to x negative 200 and y negative 62. And broadcast a new message called start game. When I receive start game, forever, a new block on where I will screen refresh called death check. Forever, death check, and platformer. Now, when I receive boss, a new message, when I receive boss, and guys, we don't have this sprite but make two new sprites called no boss and another sprite called bullet. Now go again to the hitbox and when I receive boss, forever, if or touching boss or bullet. Where is the no the key? Why the key? Or touching bullet, broadcast death, a new message called death. Go to again negative 200 and negative 62 for the Y. And now make a new variable where that scratch is very laggy called bullet for all sprites and set bullet and in the belly of bullet type hide. Now the block death check, come over here and now let's define it. Now if or another or and another or. If touching dangers or Y position is equal to 195 or duplicate or Y position is equal to 175 or we don't have it yet but make for now a new sprite called enemy. Again to the hitbox or touching enemy. Here. put an equal. If invincible is equal to no, set y velocity to 0, a star sound die. Oh, the sounds of the hitbox? The die. That's the only sound. Star sound die. Set level. Here. To last level. Broadcast a new message. Call die. Put any false here if level is equal to 1. So guys, if last level is equal to 1, set x to where is it? Here. Set x to negative 190 and set y to negative 62. And now make another. The last level is equal to 5. Set x to negative 10 and set y to 19. And duplicate if last level is equal to 10. Set x to 0 and set y to negative 61. And finally, if last level is equal to 15, set x to 0 and set y to negative 17. Sorry, 17. Wait, no, 17. And now, don't put anything in. The others are now put here. Set invincible to yes. Save the project. And now this is all for the first part. I think we're going to make a lot of parts of this tutorial and I hope you enjoyed. So bye bye.